Today we will be installing the Alix Pendant. As you unbox, make sure you look in the bottom of the box for the diffuser. The diffuser is easy to miss, so make sure you empty out all the contents of the box to find it. This pendant can be installed with either 3 12-inch down rods or a 3-foot chain. Here I'm using the down rods. The first step is screwing the down rods together with the wire threaded through them. Next, thread the wire through the fixed screw and then thread the wire through the canopy. After that, thread the wire through the mounting strap. The mounting strap is a long flat piece with 2 oval cutouts. Make sure that the screws that go above the oval cutouts in the mounting strap line up with the holes in the canopy. Then, screw the silver balls onto the bottom of the canopy. Unscrew the white socket ring from the socket. Then, place the cap on the socket. After that, screw the socket ring back onto the socket above the cap. Screw an E26 light bulb into the socket. Next, install the diffuser. It is important to note that the large white circular piece is not attached to the metal frame, so be careful when picking up the circular piece as to not drop it. The white piece in the frame should be placed over the bottom of the cap. Screw the 3 screws into place around the frame to hold the diffuser on. Now that you've put together your Alix pendant, all you have to do is install it into the ceiling. It is best to have an electrician complete this step unless you have experience.